Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Raylina and I share deals, and I wanted to share with you the Alexa app that I had procrastinated using for quite a while, but I wanted to go ahead and start using it to get extra savings. So I'm here downloading the app now. You can go to your store, your Google store, your Apple store, and download the app. Once it's all downloaded, you're going to want to create an account, and that's what I did. I created an account and I am now in the app here. You're going to want to look for the shopping option. Click on deals. It's going to bring you to this page here, and this is where you can search specific deals that you're looking for, or you can browse around. But I'm going to go ahead and search for some Dove. This week there's an awesome deal, so I want to go ahead and search for Dove, but I am just scanning through to see what type of offers they have. So it does look like they have offers that you can find on coupons.com and ShopMium. Here are the Dove products I'm looking for, so I'm going to go ahead and activate. And here it says, after shopping, navigate to Get Paid to submit your receipt and barcode to get your savings automatically applied to your Amazon gift card. I'm going to go ahead and just activate these here. There is a scan option. When you select that, you can scan a product as well. You do have to give the app permission to access your camera, of course, to use this, so you want to go ahead and do that. In order to submit your receipt, you want to go back to the deals page and select Get Paid. Select Redeem Rebates. And here's where you can submit your receipt. It lets you know all the details here. It's pretty much the same as submitting it over to ShopMium. I'm just going to go ahead and submit this receipt here for the Dove. I'm showing this here for example purposes, but of course you would make sure you have the full receipt top to bottom. It does require you to scan the product, so you do want to scan the barcode. The first time I tried it on one of them, it did not pick up because of that QR code, so you want to block that out. And once they're scanned, you'll see your offers there, the ones that you did scan, and then the ones that are just sitting on your account as activated, and then select Finish. And that's it. They will verify and let you know, or you can go ahead and submit another receipt at this point. Back at the main page here, and it just lets me know my receipt was submitted on that day, so if you ever needed to look, you can find it there on the Get Paid tab. You'll also be able to look to see what your gift card balance is, and it'll take you to your Amazon account, and here is where you'll be able to see all your earnings. Alright, lesson learned on my first try. Your offers need to be activated first before you can submit. So this is not like Bada or anything like that. It is similar to ShopMium. They do want you to have that selected, so make sure you have everything selected before submitting your receipt. So I hope you guys learned how to use this app along with me. So I really hope it was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Share with somebody who's learning to save money, and I will catch you in the next one.